Hi, finally, one of our subscribers is requesting to tackle grade 7 mathematics. Okay, here is the outline or subject outline of the grade 7 mathematics. First, we have integers. In integers, we'll be discussing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of signed numbers. And in equation, we'll be discussing simple equation, one unknown. Okay? Then we have rational numbers. When you say rational numbers, these are numbers that can be expressed in fraction form. Okay? So, in rational numbers, we'll be discussing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. Okay? And inequalities, it is almost the same as the equation, while in here, instead of having x plus 2 is equal to 3, in inequalities, it is x plus 2 is greater than equal to 4, or y plus 3 is greater than 7, like that. So, we'll be discussing that in inequalities. And then, next is graphing and slope. We'll be discussing here the Cartesian coordinate system. What is a Cartesian coordinate system? How to plot points, how to plot lines, and to solve for the slope of the line. Next topic is ratio. Ratio is the same as, usually it is expressed as A is to B, or it can be A over C. That is ratio. Okay, next is proportion. A is to B, is to C, is to D. That is a proportion. Or it is A over C is equal to B over D. That is proportions. And also, we'll be discussing percent. In here, we're going to study how to convert fraction into percent and decimal into percent. Okay? And lastly, we have the geometry. In geometry, we'll be discussing figures and shapes. The area of a circle, triangle, rectangle, trapezoid, and then the volume of a sphere, cone, and a cylinder. So that is what we're going to study in geometry. Okay? So bear with me, and I'll see you again.